So to pair your phone, very easy. You could go through settings. You just go to connections, add device. Yes. So you go to your settings on your phone, Bluetooth connection, and it will pop up on other devices. My Centra, hit Centra, see the pin number, make sure it matches, and you pair it, and you allow it to sync so you can get all your contacts, and then your phone will show up. Whatever name is on your phone will show up there as your identification. So if you don't know what your phone's name is, you could go into general, usually about, and you can see your name of your phone. Let's change it if you want, and it will show up here, whatever it is.
How do you change it?
You just tap on there, and you just type in, this is on an iPhone. Samsung might be a little different, but you could change it.